How to change email in TikTok account. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to change email in TikTok account. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Launch TikTok application on your device. Make sure to log in and sign into your account. Then you will land on the home screen or home page of TikTok. Tap on your profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now select the three-line icon at top right corner to access Settings and Privacy. So tap Settings and Privacy option and tap on Account at top of the screen. Here you will see account information at top of the screen. Tap on it. And here is the three options, that is your phone number, email and account reason. So tap on email. And here you can easily get the two options, that is only email and change email. So to change email in TikTok account, tap change email button. And here you need to enter the email in order to change your email address. So let's enter it. Now tap on send code button and the code will be sent to verify your email. So you have to enter it and then easily verify your email and you can change email in TikTok account. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.